So this is a glimpse of my garden out here in the country. I've got a couple of squashes growing, some celery. In the background there's radishes. My cucumbers didn't really come up, and I've replanted them already, but they still didn't come back. Now I've got some huckleberries and ground cherries, tomatoes, and again they got hit by hail and they did not come back. So I've replanted a few in a different spot. So then this is kale, and those are the peppers in the background. They're pathetic because again they got stripped by hail and I'm not replanting them. And it's a shame because we grew them all from seed. This is all beans, green and yellow, and then potatoes seem to be doing good. They're about the only thing that looks good. Then I've got the onion bulbs, so I've got red, yellow, and white onions planted. The carrots are just starting to come. And then I've got peas, a few different kinds, which we'll have to put the wire up for. And then I think I planted either cabbage, I can't remember. I don't remember what it is. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Whatever is going to grow is going to grow. There's some beets there. And here is more, I don't even know because it didn't come up after all that hail. Got just an empty patch except for the weeds. And then I've got some spinach in the background, a little bit of corn, a couple of watermelon, and something that came up from seed that I decided to plant. I'm really not sure what it is. It came up and I decided to move it around, and I've got a few little zucchini, and that's about it. That's my big garden. So as big as it's going to get, and I'll keep you updated on that too. My little hectarage out here in the country. Thanks for watching.